Welcome to Wayne's World Garage. Today, Phil and I cut down 3 trees, 2 oak and 1 heavily leaning maple. This is a bigger tree than most we've got. I've got a 20-inch bar, and I couldn't plunge cut all the way through. Regardless, we got it down. Can you guess which direction it was going to fall in? And everything worked out safely. Too bad it's got a little bit of rot in the middle of it, but we've got a nice couple of logs here for the Anne Arundel County Fair coming up very soon, the 13th of September.